If your Ninja blender won't lock, doesn't click into place, or refuses to start blending, don't panic. Most of the time, it's something simple you can fix in just a few minutes. I'll walk you through the steps so you can get your blender working again without any frustration. The most common reason your Ninja blender isn't locking is that something is out of alignment. That could be the container, the lid, or even the blade assembly. When even one of these pieces isn't seated correctly, the safety system won't let the blender turn on. Start by checking the container. Take it off the base and inspect the bottom for any debris, stuck food, or residue. Even a small crumb or bit of coffee grounds can prevent the blender from locking properly. Wipe everything down with a damp cloth or use a brush to clean out the grooves. Next, line up the arrows. Both the base and the container usually have small guide marks or arrows. These need to match perfectly for the container to sit correctly. Once aligned, twist the container clockwise until you hear a click or feel it snap into place. If it still feels loose, lift it off and try again, making sure the arrows are perfectly matched. After that, check the lid. It also needs to go on the right way. Match the arrow on the lid with the one on the container. If your model doesn't have arrows, a simple trick is to have the spout face opposite the handle. Press down until you hear or feel the lid click securely. Both the container and lid need to be locked for the blender to work. Once everything is in place, test the blender. If it still won't lock or start, the issue might be mechanical, such as a faulty sensor or something inside the base. In that case, don't try to force it, because that could cause damage. The best next step is to contact Ninja customer support. They can guide you through advanced troubleshooting, help identify the problem, and set up a repair if needed. Following these steps usually fixes most issues and gets your Ninja blender back to working like new, letting you blend your favorite smoothies, sauces, and drinks without worry. With a little patience and careful alignment, you can solve the locking problem quickly and safely.